Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making catfish pepper soup. I saw this recipe on a Nigerian food channel and I thought let me just challenge myself and make it. So yeah, we have yellow pepper, we have the catfish, we have the scent leaves, dry scent leaves to give it a nice smell. We have crayfish, we have dried prawns, onions, and the pepper soup powder. So yeah, we put everything in a pot to boil. And catfish does not take a long time to cook. So, within 15 minutes, it should be ready, like inside. Then the last thing you add will be the scent leaves. The scent leaves gives it a lovely smell, and that's the finished product. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.